Forfaiting. In trade finance, forfaiting is a service providing medium-term financial support for export/import of capital goods. The third party providing the support is termed the forfaiter. The forfaiter provides medium-term finance to, and will commonly also take on certain risks from, the importer, and takes on all risk from the exporter, in return for a margin. Payment may be by negotiable instrument, enabling the forfaiter to lay off some risks. Like factoring, forfaiting involves sale of financial assets from the seller's receivables. Key differences are that forfait supports the buyer, importer, as well as the seller, exporter, and is available only for export/import transactions and in relation to capital goods. The word forfaiting is derived from the French word forfait, meaning to relinquish a right, in this case, the exporter's right to receive payment from the customer, the importer. Characteristics. The characteristics of a forfaiting transaction are: at its simplest, the receivables should be evidenced by a promissory note, a bill of exchange, a deferred payment letter of credit, or a letter of forfaiting. Pricing. Three elements relate to the pricing of a forfaiting transaction. The benefits to the exporter from forfaiting include eliminating political, transfer, and commercial risks and improving cash flows. The benefit to the forfaiter is the extra margin on the loan to the exporter. Professional associations. The oldest forfaiting association in the world is VEFI, the Association of Forfaiters in Switzerland, German, Vereinigung von Forfaitern Instituten in der Schweiz, which was founded in 1978. The International Trade and Forfaiting Association, ITFA, was founded in 1999 as a worldwide trade association for the forfaiting industry with a cash contribution from VEFI. Its purpose is to develop business relationships and assist other forfaiting-related organizations.